Iron up an MT85. First thing we do is we pop this second button switch out, and then we drill a 5/8 hole in, mount our button. Then you fish the wire with the blue end up through. It should be 5 foot long. Open the hood, come down in, poke it up through there. And you want to take this end that's got your fusible link and everything, and follow this wire right here back down and around. Bring it down along this, and then hook the one with the fuse up to the positive of the battery, and the black wire will go there. Plug our button in, and then we push him back down in, snap that in. Take your wire here, bring him over, and zip tie him along this one, and then feed him around. You just don't want him where it's going to get anywhere where it's touching anything warm or rubbing too excessively. Then we're going to have problems down the road. So we just hook our one with our fuse up here, and one with the ground there. And this side will plug into our other harness, but we'll get to there in a minute. Run it up through this hole, and then you can stick it right in the back of the boom right there. We used a long piece of welding wire to fish it out down through here. Then we zip tie it there. It's a 7-foot wire. And then you got the ground that hooks up there, and then these two green ones is plugged together. Put your fuse in. Oh, it's 12 foot of wire. Put your fuse in, and away you go. So now for running it, you use your auxiliary lever to open and close it. Now you just push this button until it lights up green. Pull this back and forth, and now it'll rotate. Back to open and close. As simple as that. Took us about half hour or so, 45 minutes to put the wire harness in. That's a 52-inch grapple on an MT85.